Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Arun Nigamia, working as a assistant professor in aerospace engineering department. Today, I am going to take one topic from fluid mechanics subject for aerospace second year students. Before entering into the subject, what is meant by fluid? Fluid, it is a substance. It will be moved from one place to other place. So here you see that image, GIF image, here fluid. So it will be moved from one place to other place. It does not have any shape. So for each and every fluids is does not have any shape. It have some density. It have some density only. For example, the fluid or liquid. So in day-to-day life, we are using the many liquids like water, milk, air, and the petrol, diesel. These are all the many liquids and fluids we can use it. So generally, the fluid it will be arranged in atomic manner. So by comparing the atomic structure, it can be classified into three types. One is for solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. So here the first one is a solid. So solid it have a shape. In this case, the atoms are arranged in closed pack. And for a liquid, the atoms are arranged in some weaker regions. Gases, it will mean displaced from one place to other place. So in that solid, it have a shape, it have a volume, and if you apply the load, the solid it will be change the shape. By comparing the liquid, so it doesn't have any shape, and it will be moved from one place to other place when you apply the load. This is called as one image for solid, liquid, and gas. So here, the first one is ice cube. That is called a solid. It have a shape. Next one is liquid. It doesn't have a shape. Last one is gas. So in that solid, liquid, gas, it will be depend on the melting point. Melting point means it will be change the shape or shape from one shape to other shape. That is called as it will be change the solid to liquid or liquid to gas. That is called as the melting point. So these are all the comparison between the gas, solid, and liquids. So here the gas, it can be a closed pack, and if the energy is very low, motion is vibrational, and liquid, it will be move in rotational manner, and gas will be in transitional. For example, if you open the pipe, the water flow, it will be flow through the duct in rotational manner. So if you, for example, in gas, for example, in that if you fill the air by using the pump, so in that pump, in that pump, it will be moves the air in transitional manner. That is called as there is no colorless. These are all some examples for solid and liquid. So solid it can be a rigid shape is fixed and fixed volume. Liquid it does not rigid. There is no shape and it has a fixed volume. For example, if you fill the water in that bucket, means in that bucket it will have a volume. By comparing the gas, we are not able to fill the gas in particular area because it doesn't have a shape and rigid and fixed volume. So now I am we are going to talk about the fluid mechanics. So fluid mechanics means it is a branch of science. It will be deals about the behavior of fluids at rest or motion. So for example, if the water, it will be there in the tumbler. So if you pour the water to the table, the water, it will be flow from one place to other place. That is called as a fluid mechanics. So in that fluid mechanics, we are going to study about the flow of water or flow of fluid at rest to other regions. So it will be classified into two types. One is for three types: static, dynamic, and kinematics. So static means the fluid at in rest position. That is called as static. The next one is kinetic. Kinematics means if you apply the force, the fluid it will be moved from one place to other place. That is called as motion. It is also called as a fluid kinematics. So if you apply the pressure on the fluid, the motion will occur. So if you doesn't apply the pressure means it will not move from one place to other place. That is called as fluid dynamic. So compare between the fluid static and dynamic. So static means if you give, for example, if you fill the water in that tumbler, if you give more than 1 hour, that tumbler will not move from one place to other place, and water it will also in stationary. So by compared to the if you fill the water in that one slanting area, so if you pour the water from top surface to bottom surface, it will be moved from bottom surface like lake or dam construction. That is called as fluid dynamics. So thank you. We will catch the next topic on next video.